hour is all about getting as much done as you possibly can within an hour. So in today's video, I'm going to see how much I can get done in an hour. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a power hour. A power hour is when you set aside 1 hour and you clean as much as you can. So this is the list of things that I know I want to accomplish during this power hour. I need to make up my bed, start a load of laundry, clean the windows by the front door, wipe down my countertops, wipe down my appliances, clean guest bathroom mirror and sink, wipe down front door, tidy up office, tidy up the living room, and vacuum. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you in my YouTube family. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button. It's completely free. Ring that bell so that you can receive notifications possibly each and every time I post. Sometimes it doesn't always happen. My start time is 8:21 a.m.
Still in every space.
I have finished everything on my list. I still have about 15 minutes left, but I'm going to complete those 15 minutes off camera because as I was trying to film this, I broke my tripod. I tried to do like a temporary fix, so that's why some of my angles are a little off, but I'm afraid to push my luck until I get my tripod fixed. But this just shows that I got all of that done in 45 minutes. And just remember, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.